Hello! So how's everybody in this circuit breaker period? Well, something exciting actually came into our mailbox yesterday. We got a surprise from OnePlus. Dun dun. This is the OnePlus 8 Pro, and what you're going to see inside this box may not be representing what you will get when you purchase this product, because this is a review unit set, so they usually come with some surprises and extra stuff that the consumer would have to purchase separately. Let's see what it says here. It says never settle. Why is it never settle? Huh? So pretty, right? And check that out. Wow, this is such a thick concept book for the design and the hardware specs and all of the things that I need to know about the OnePlus 8 Pro. Pretty cool. A lot of effort, huh? And then what's underneath it? So, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro, and there's a cool case here. Carbon fiber kind of look. I will show you more about the case in a bit. And interestingly, this looks like a champagne or a wine bottle kind of box. It's so long. This is the Glacier Green, and with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 of ROM. So this is the higher end model for the OnePlus 8 Pro. So let's open. Bit of ASMR for you. This opens up. Very pretty design here though. A lot of the number 8. So pretty. The box is basically like this, and the phone is here. And here you go, the bag. And let me open it up. So pretty. And this 8 Pro actually has a quad camera system with 3x optical zoom, 2 48 megapixel lens, one for the main camera and the ultra wide. For the rear main camera, it is using a 48 megapixel Sony sensor. It takes pretty good and detailed shots for both day and night. You can check it out here. Although the tele and the ultra wide cameras are not using the Sony sensors, they still did a good job in the day. My favorite will have to be the color filter camera. The function is hidden in the filter mode, where you need to select photochrome, and now you can take infrared filter shots of landscape that looks surreal. Next, the selfie camera uses a 16 megapixel Sony sensor, which take decent selfies with or without bokeh. And let's see what's underneath it. Invitation letter for what? I got an invitation letter. Basically nothing much lah, huh? This one most probably is not the commercial set, because there are so many things that's extra here. And there's a silicone case here. So okay, total I got 3 cases now. But so pretty. And it says never settle again. And inside here we have the warp charger, I think. The warp charger and the warp cable. So it's a 30 watt warp charger by OnePlus. If you pre-order with Lazada, you'll be able to get a limited edition pop-up box set that comes with 2 extra bumper cases. You will also be the first in Singapore to receive the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones that can last up to 20 hours on a single charge. No juice? With the warp charger and cable, you just need to charge the Bullets Wireless Z
for 10 minutes and you will enjoy up to 10 hours of audio playback. And not to forget, the 8 Pro will come with wireless charging and it's IP68 water and dust resistance too.
The phone is actually very pretty, and the glacier green is actually quite premium looking.
It's actually not as green as it looks. It actually looks more teal or blue for me.
And I like that, this is a non-fingerprint magnet because it's the matte finish and all. The finish is just so premium. And to be frank, this is the first premiumly priced smartphone from OnePlus. For the OnePlus 8 Pro, it starts from 1298, whereas for the OnePlus 8, it starts from 998. And both of these are pretty much the same, except for one is a triple camera system and the other one is a quad camera system on the 8 Pro. And it comes in like onyx black, the glacier green, and then there's also the aquamarine blue. And the 8 Plus actually has this interstellar glow. And I think I saw some pictures of that. That is a very, very pretty color. I wish that I can have that. But it seems like we don't have that for the 8 Pro. I think for 8 Pro, the next best color is the glacier green. Oh, and they have this side button here, which is something new. This is like the iPhone ones, which is basically to put it to silent or to vibrate mode. Instead of like 2 toggles, there's actually 3. One is basically ring, the other one is vibrate, and the other one is silence. Cool. This one is called the sandstone bumper. I think it's called sandstone because of the rough finish that they have here on the case. And this is the carbon bumper. And both these cases are a bit hard, so it's really not my top choice. And there's not really a cushion to it. I mean, for me it seems like they would not be able to absorb the impact and to protect the phone. But they are very slim and beautiful case. The sandstone cover, which I think fits the style of the color and the phone very nicely. I somehow like this sandstone one over the carbon one. Nice. If you really like this phone and you want to find out more, you can go to Lazada and then to do some checks on that because they have a store there. Stupid, but so noisy. And yep, so the pre-order starts from the 24th of April all the way to 7th May. So if you want to have the freebies, yes, please do that and go to the Lazada shop there. They're having the exclusive pre-order there. So hope you like this quick unboxing and stay safe during this circuit breaker period. Okay, bye!